In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Chase to Apple Pay. Now, just to clarify, Apple Pay doesn't work like a traditional bank account where you simply transfer money directly from Chase into Apple Pay. Instead, you can add your eligible Chase debit card to Apple Wallet and use that card with Apple Pay. And if you're using Apple Cash, you can also add money to your Apple Cash balance using an eligible debit card. So the first thing that you need to do is open the wallet app and tap the plus button in the upper right corner. This is where you can add a new card to Apple Wallet. Now select the debit or credit card. So you can either hold your Chase card near your iPhone so it can scan the card information, or choose the option to enter the card details manually. Enter your Chase debit card information, and depending on your Chase account and card, you may need to verify your identity before the card can be added. You'll be forwarded to your Chase login page. Provide all the information needed, and after entering your card information, Apple may ask you to verify the card with your Chase. Once Chase approves the card, it should appear in your Apple Wallet and be ready to use with Apple Pay. Once everything is set up, you can use Apple Pay when making purchases at participating stores, apps, and websites. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can use your Chase account with Apple Pay. Remember, you are not directly transferring money from your Chase bank account into Apple Pay. You're either adding your eligible Chase card to Apple Wallet, or if you're using Apple Cash, adding funds from an eligible debit card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you with the next video.